I used to have one of these more expensive trucks to do my grass mulching. I'm going to try that again. I used to have one of these more expensive trucks when it came time to do my grass mulching, and look at the pain that caused. And how many times has this happened? I missed the truck. What can you do? But now the makers of the seatless seat have brought you their newest invention, the Truckless truck. It does everything those overpriced, expensive trucks do, but much easier. Here's a full load in the Truckless truck. Safety first is our motto, so let our woodland creatures know we're coming with a heavy load. Why would you ever bend over and pick up another shrub when you can just tow it with the Truckless truck? There's 1,001 uses. Let our woodland friends know that we're coming with a heavy load. How many times has this happened to you? You've got the wrong tool fixing one of those other trucks. But now, with the deluxe edition of the Truckless truck, tradesmen, bring your tools with you. Come on, you damn son of a bug! Now that I've got the Truckless truck, and it's 100% guaranteed to never turn a wrench. That's right, 100% guarantee you will never take this to the mechanic or turn a wrench. And when the job's over, it's just one easy pull and you're home. Those other trucks, boy, they didn't have the safety and ease of the Truckless truck weekender kit. Why look, it's full camping down at the park with you and all your buddies with the Truckless truck. She's your friend to the end. Thanks, Truckless truck, you saved my wet weekend. Thanks, Truckless truck, you saved the day. That's why I chose Truckless truck. Thanks, you're the best.
And trust me, it did everything I needed it to.
Thanks, Truckless truck, you really are a wonder. Thanks, Truckless truck.